In our fast-changing and increasingly complex world, big data is power, but harnessing it requires a profound digital transformation. To survive and succeed, you need information intelligence. Applying artificial intelligence at every step of a product lifecycle, information intelligence transforms big, heterogeneous data into profitable business decisions. It's the key to industry innovation, operational excellence, and business performance. Discover how with these top 5 secrets of digital transformation. Secret number 1. Valuable insights trigger action. In the current volatile social and economic context, agility is everything. Using artificial intelligence, you can access, view, and analyze in real time the social mentions, international certifications, market or supplier databases, and more for information relevant to your business. Gain actionable insights into your market to support better, perfectly timed business decisions and stay ahead of the competition. This is industry intelligence on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Secret number 2, not everything needs reinventing. Engineers spend up to 45% of their time searching for and recreating existing product parts. Instead, you can now easily retrieve the right parts from past or current projects and make informed reuse, make, or buy decisions. Standardize, pare down the catalog, reuse standard parts in your design, and significantly improve bulk pricing negotiations. Free up your time for true innovation. This is sourcing and standardization intelligence on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Secret number 3. A single truth beats 1,000 opinions. Every project brings the thankless job of constant updates quickly outdated. Now you can automatically capture task status and KPIs from every team member, providing a real-time, reliable, single source of truth. Digital continuity and invisible governance transform your business from task-based to performance-driven program management. This is Project Intelligence on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Secret number 4. Seeing is safer than guessing. Launching a new product is always a calculated risk. But how calculated? You don't need a prototype to assess viability and future maintenance issues. Set up a 3DEXPERIENCE twin, combining virtual and real-world data, and let us do the math again and again and again until everything fails or everything works. This is manufacturing intelligence on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Secret number 5, poor quality never saves money. The cost of poor quality can reach 30% of revenue, but it doesn't have to. Efficiently manage early issue detection, corrective and preventive actions, and potential future issues, as even scattered quality-related data can now be easily aggregated, contextualized, and analyzed for you. Enter a virtuous cycle of continuous quality and performance improvement. This is Asset Quality Intelligence on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Bonus secret. If you want change, make it easy. You want all relevant program data, team members, decision-making tools, enterprise knowledge, and know-how accessible in one collaborative platform. You want to experience information intelligence at its best to drive your digital transformation and stay ahead of the competition. Take the leap. Ask us about information intelligence roles on our 3DEXPERIENCE platform.